Hi, PTANA. This is a tutorial video on how to complete the application for membership as a travel agent member. Once you go to the membership application on the website, please ensure that the name of the chapter that you have selected is illuminated and you have all of the criteria necessary for your application. You want to ensure that you're selecting travel agent and whether you're new, renewing, or updating your information. And scrolling to the bottom, hit next. If you're referred to by someone else in our organization, please ensure you indicate their name, input your name, today's date, whether you're home-based or storefront. Also indicate for your mailing address if you would like to use your home address or your agency address. This is an address where if you win any prizes with PTANA or we need to reach out to you, your correspondence will be mailed. So please ensure this address is correct. Also indicate your birthday and month, your mobile phone number to receive text message notifications, as well as if you have a home number, your personal home address if you are indeed home-based. You want to ensure you have your email address and job title, the name of your agency, not your host agency, but your agency's name, your agency's website or travel agent portal, and indicate whether you are self-hosted or if you have a host agency. Here is where you'll enter the name of that host. You'll indicate that you're a travel agent or travel advisor, and then your host's address, or if you're storefront, that company address. You also want to ensure that the company phone number and fax number is listed if you so desire to have one, and continue by pressing next. As a travel agent, you are required to provide a business card, complete your application and code of conduct, which you will do below, as well as a continuing education certificate or a badge from Las Vegas Travel Agent Forum or Cruise 360, which you would have completed within the last 12 months. You also can get certificates from various programs that PTANA issues where certificates are provided. Make sure also that you have a photo of your IATAN, CLIA, True, or ARC card, or a certificate from your host agency indicating that you have permission to use their IATAN, CLIA, True, or ARC card. You would like to ensure to make this go as smoothly as possible that you have saved a copy of these items on your computer or desktop or laptop. Or if you're completing this on a mobile phone, tablet, or iPad, you have taken a photo of these items for easy upload. You will click the Browse button here. So first we want to do our CLIA card. You're going to click on the Browse button and it's going to take you to the CLIA card or IATAN card, True, or ARC on your computer. You can confirm that it's uploaded because the name of the file will be listed here with a measurement. You'll also complete your continuing education certificate or your badge from the corresponding educational event. Again, the name will list here with a measurement, and also upload a photo of your business card, which you will also do by clicking Browse, and you will see it's confirmed as the name is there. You click Next. You know you are not an industry partner. In this case, as we're doing for travel agents, so we will ensure we skip this. We also skip students and novices because we are neither of those. You want to make sure that you read PTANA's Code of Conduct very carefully to ensure that you are willing to comply with everything, and you will scroll down to the bottom and use your mouse, stylus, or finger, depending on your device, to place your signature here and type your name. You will then select Next and indicate your social media, if you're part of the chapter, and what products that you sell totaling 100% of your sales. You'll also get to this point where it is time to pay, so you will make sure that you select that you're a travel agent. If you have a promo code because you're running a membership special, you will enter the code here and hit apply, and you will see that membership, depending on the code that's applicable, could be indicated here. If there is no applicable code, the membership will read $79. You will then hit Preview Application to see a copy of your application of everything that you filled in, and make sure that you double check not only the name of your application, that it is a corresponding chapter, your code of conduct, and that everything is correct. You have an opportunity to print, and then you click Submit. That is how you fill out a PTANA membership application for travel agents.